1989 Ford Mustang GT convertible. This is a great car, a car that I really wanted when I was 17. Didn't get it though. Had an 84 Camaro with a 6-cylinder. Really sad. But I never had a V8 when I was of that age because I had no responsibilities, which is a problem when you're a young guy and want to drive a big V8. Oh, there's my phone. Road construction. The gentleman that wants this video is from Dallas, so he knows a lot about road construction. Right. Once we get to where we're going, we're going to take the top down and get good pictures of the inside, the seats. He wants a nice picture of the top too, so we'll do that first.
Electric windows, and they work very well.
Yes, they do. Really super fast.
They are extremely fast.
Wow.
How many miles did you say?
22,411.
That's not very many.
No.
Work too?
Yeah, it's nice and covered. Still has a lot of natural light going on. Fry out here. Get this top down in a minute. Let's take pictures of the creases. Make sure it folds right.
Here's the carpet. And let's get a good look at the top.
That looks great.
It does look very good. It's basically new. It's only got 20,000 miles on it.
This definitely was a garage car. Unbelievable. I believe I know how to take this top down.
Yep.
Wow.
You can latch on each side, and then you have an electric button.
Unreal.
Oh, that went really fast, actually. Look at that.
Good deal.
Easy peasy.
It really is.
And then you
Driving
can
back with the top off. I don't see why we wouldn't.
you can put these latches back in so that metal piece doesn't stick up as much. Pop the trunk. Let's take a look in there.
I noticed that 65 was.
So we do.
Oh, good.
We have the boot cover back here,
We have a white boot cover.
and that should be the bag for it. And a black boot cover in there as well.
Wow, cool. So
You got options.
yeah, you do. I think the white one would look nicer.
And there's more floor mats for the back seats under here.
That was a white cover first, and now we have a black cover.
I would think so, because it would match the interior, yes.
That makes sense. But it's nice. We should drive back with the top off, don't you think?
Yeah, I think so.
What else did you want to see?
Let's pop the hood.
Ah, the 5-liter. They made a lot of those in the 80s. It's a nice engine. It runs real nice too. Definitely going back on the top. God, it's pretty. Look at the paint.
It's like glass.
It does.
And it works.
Yay.
And the light works. Let's get a start up from the outside as well. your hat doesn't fly off.
God no, couldn't have that. It sounds great too. Exhaust is good. This is a fun car for summer, for sure. And in Texas, you can drive it all year round. Whereas in Missouri, you wouldn't want to drive this in the winter.
Pretty straight. Oh wow.
Very straight.
Dead straight.
Like dead straight. Isn't that something? Nice.
And it's up. Easy
Perfect.
like that.
Boy, that was easy. Oh, somebody's done.